Laser alignment shows a deviation of 0.02 at station 4.
Copy that. Adjusting the gauge now.
We have 4.2 meters on the cross-section.
Verified. Angle is precise.
Geometric verification complete.
Okay, documentation is complete for this section.
The scan data is uploaded. We are good to proceed.
The forward slope reading is good. Confirmed. The turret coverage looks even.
Humidity levels are steady at 45%.
Acknowledged. Increasing temperature by 2 degrees.
Keep it steady. Align with the marker.
Reading confirmed. Engaging the lock now.
Looks good. Secure the bolt.
Copy.
Section 3, road wheel alignment.
Looks good. All green.
Torque confirmed.
Confirmed.
Moving to the next section. We're clear. Lower it slowly.
Almost there. Keep it steady. How's the alignment looking at the front? Looks good now, within tolerance.
A little to the left, slowly.
Okay, holding steady.
Check the torque on that clamp.
It's set to the required specification.
Checkpoint 42, mounting bolts secured.
Confirmed. Alignment is within tolerance.
Check the schematic for the J12 connection.
Confirmed.
Test sequence is complete. We have continuity and insulation integrity confirmed.
Hand me the torque wrench.
Here you go. 3 clicks.
Double check the torque on these bolts near the traverse mechanism.
Confirmed. They're within spec according to the tablet schematic.
All right, that meets the requirement. This seam needs re-inspection before we clear it. Check the specs here.
All right, I see it. Let me get the gauge.
All interfaces secured. Initiating stabilization check.
Range of motion verified. System reports green.
Final torque on these 4 bolts.
Looks good. All connections secured and routed.
Setting the torque now. 3 clicks on this side, and the other side is secure.
Guiding this into the clamp now.
And the sensor eye is connected. Go ahead and snip that tie wrap.
Wiring harness secure and connected. All green here.
Laser alignment verified. Tolerances are within spec.
Good, I'm signing off on the integration check.
Curing parameters are stable across all zones.
Confirmed. Let's maintain this cycle for another 20 minutes.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, hold it right there. Get the wrench ready. Feeler gauge shows a gap here. Make a note of that misalignment.
Checking the paint thickness now. It's within the acceptable range.
The symmetry data is showing green across the board now.
Good. Good. The height clearance on the tracks checked out manually as well.
Torsion bar alignment looks good here.
Getting a reading of 30 millimeters on the road wheel.
Noted. Move to the next bogey.
We have integrity on the main hatch.
Look here by the engine compartment. This seal looks compromised.
The alignment on the third road wheel seems slightly off.
It's within tolerance according to the tablet, but let's monitor the suspension articulation.
Checkpoint confirmed. All systems nominal according to the checklist.
Data aligns with the physical inspection, ma'am. We are good to go.
Engine temperature holding steady.
Suspension articulated well over the bumps at speed.
Power draw is increasing during the turret rotation.
Confirmed stable. The regulators are performing as expected.
Set the elevation to 0. Reading confirmed. Logging the data.
Engine seals look solid after the run.
Confirmed. We are clear for sign-off.
The vibration dampening is inconsistent at the 50-meter mark.
Agreed. Cross-reference that spike with the terrain data immediately.
Rehearsal. The suspension stress indicators peaked higher than expected on the final run.
Yes, the vibration analysis confirms that. We need to check the road wheel alignment.
The housing alignment here seems correct now.
Yes, I agree.
Marking that complete.
The readings look good here.
We have some significant wear right here by the sprocket. I'm noting it down.
All right, check the turret next.
Check the configuration data against the schematics again.
We already did. The tolerances match the test records.
Check the hull specifications on page 42.
Confirmed. Serial number matches the build plate here.
Good. Let's move to the turret alignment.
Looks secure from here. Did you get the rear vent spray?
Yep, just finished up.
Front binder secure and tensioned.
Confirmed. Main gun travel lock engaged. Verified on checklist. Control, this is staging. Bay 4 is secure.
Roger that. Dispatching heavy lift team.
Keep it coming. Steady on the ramp. All right, hold it. And stop. Cut the engine.
How's that front chain look?
Secured. This load isn't going anywhere.
All transport locks engaged on the running gear.
Confirmed on the manifest. The documentation is complete.
Excellent. Ready for transport.
It is an honor to officially hand over this Leopard 2.
We are proud to accept it into service. This represents a new chapter for our defense.
All units, this is logistics lead. Continue northbound on the M1. No obstacles reported. ETA at waypoint Charlie remains 1500 Zulu.